The technology of manufacturing circuit boards is rapidly improving. Two technologies that have really given way to producing more complicated circuit boards are wire bonding and BGA technology. Our work with circuit boards is intricate, complicated, and complex, not only from a physical standpoint, but also because we service so many different circuit boards that were created by so many different engineers and designers.
There could be hundreds or thousands of components that are dime-sized or smaller on the board, and we have to figure out what component does what function, and in the event of repair, how to replace the component while making it better than new.
When it comes to wire bonding, using too much force when cleaning, using a very harsh chemical, using that safe chemical even can damage the very delicate surface that we bond to. Having the knowledge and having the safety protocols that are needed to run these machines is not something your average company or even your average person is going to be able to do.
When it comes to the more complex systems that we work on that include BGA chips and wire bonding, there are a lot of companies that don't want to tackle problems like that. But we never take that approach. We honestly don't think there's anything that we can't solve. There's not anything that we can't figure out.
We invest in equipment so that we can provide a better service for our customers, whether that's higher quality, better speed. Equipment helps us to do our processes more repeatably and in a way that can produce the first part like the thousandth part.
We want this board to work for the customer longer than the original manufacturer's warranty for. We implement rigorous testing upon the modules we repair to make sure that it meets or exceeds the manufacturer's standard of quality.
With us, it's 100% success 100% of the time. We want to make sure that you are taken care of. That's our main priority. Any industry that requires repair to their electronics, we can take care of.
As circuit board medics, we strive for excellence. And that excellence is not seen firsthand by the customer. It is felt in the longevity of the repair. As you know better, you do better. And every day we know better. And every day we do better. And we strive just to have the best product, best service that you could possibly get out of a business.